Alright guys, so I here we go. Okay. Alright, so I just finished talking about how ordinal and nominal data you can't find standard deviation, variance, range, mean, because they all are based on mean. So let's go back to this data. And we had found, let me go back, 39.1 was the okay. And so when we type in our data in our list, that's why I wanted to put them in two different lists. To calculate, edit, or stat, edit, typed it in, and I went to calculate. There we go. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to show you this right here. Okay, because the question says find the sample standard deviation and variance. Okay, that's different than the population standard deviation and variance. Because remember, the difference between the two was you divided by n versus you divided by n minus 1. And so I can work this out by hand if I wanted to. I'm not going to because I have an instrument that will do it for me. Alright, so this guy with the S, okay, that's the sample standard deviation. And then the sigma, like the O kind of with the X, that's population. Alright, so 40.8. Alright, so sample standard deviation 40.9 because it was 0.87. Alright, that means that variance S squared for the sample is going to be 40.9 squared, 1672.81. And then the population standard deviation was 39.1. So that is 1528.81. Alright, and we need to compare it. So you could say something like the sample standard deviation is greater than the population standard deviation. Or you could physically subtract them and get a specific number. Get 1.8. And so just something concrete like that. Let's do this guy. Right, ages coming back up. We got 4.1. Alright, so the range rule of thumb says take the range divided by 4. Alright, so 34 minus 15 divided by 4. Okay, so 16 4. 4. So pretty approximation, because our real one was 4.1. Alright, and so if we need to compare them, you say they're very close together, they're 1/10 difference, something like that. Right. So now you should go do your independent practice work, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.